Is there going to be a point where AI could take over trading? Let's get into it and let's see how to use AI into trading space. Before we get into the AI trading itself, quickly, AI is something new into this world, into this century. A lot of people doesn't know how to use it, what it is, or they even hasn't touched ChatGPT yet. A lot of things that could change along the way, but for now, there is some things that are useful that we are using every single day. And let me show you guys how we are using them and how to use them as well. So basically, the first thing that I want to introduce you as an AI and trading is to build yourself a tools with AI. How to build a tool, how to make an indicator with AI, and how does it even work. So basically, if you go into TradingView, in TradingView, there are a lot of indicators that you can find up here in the section called indicators, and you can make your own indicator as well. For example, if you go here and go into this so-called Pine, there's going to be this thing popping up. Possible window of nothing, possible window of a code, possible, it's a script. It's a code for your indicator tool, bot, whatever you build. If you want to start a new one, click here, click create new, for example, indicator, or let's go with strategy. Let's create new strategy. That's a so-called bot. We delete all of this. We go into ChatGPT and tell him, hey, build me a trading view strategy on Pine script 6 that is purely for Bitcoin and is using smart money concepts with MACD and RSI. Make it so it works the best for swing trading and add animated buy and sell labels. There is a confirmation for a move to the upside or to the downside. Copy, paste code. Send it in and it will generate it. It will give you a code. The code will work. If it won't, I will show you how to fix these things, these faults, these errors, these bugs. But in general, it will give me a code. It will give me a Pine script code that I just paste into TradingView, and it gives me a tool, a strategy. Right now, building a bot that will show and work as a automation. Basically, I can put my money into it and it will work on this algorithm and trade my money with the settings that it's building right now. That's one thing that I want to talk about, which is this code. You will have these codes, you will have so many different codes. You can have as much codes as you want, as long codes as you want. But the thing is, you need to tweak it. You need to tweak these codes. You need to see, for example, right now, MACD fast 12. Maybe you need to tweak it to 13. Maybe you need to tweak moving average to not 50, but to 200. There are a lot of things that you need to work on to have this bot or strategy or indicator, whatever, to work on full capacity. So let's see how this works, and let's see how profitable it is with backtesting tools and everything. So the code is done. I'm gonna copy it right here, go into the TradingView, paste it right here, and add to the chart. And it's added. As you can see, it's a little bit glitchy. These texts are super huge. If I double click on them, I could probably, yeah, when you double click on these indicators or these strategies, you can change some settings. Right now, I will remove these boxes, and I can see that there are a lot of bubbles, and these bubbles are a place where to buy and where there is a indicator of buying, where there is break of structure, when there is change of character, and yeah, it looks beautiful. It looks like it could actually work. And there are some things that we need to tweak, that we need to do so we can have the biggest probability. And right now, let's see if we can possibly backtest it as well. And down here, we can see that by changing timeframes, these values will change as well. By the strategy, how it uses it in different timeframes. So it's a big and crucial thing to do, which is see the different timeframes and how they work. For now, it looks like we built a profitable strategy just with an AI tool. Beautiful. Let's get into the next section about trading with AI. Going into the Claude. Claude is another search engine or AI engine, call as you want. Here, for example, let's ask a simple question. Give me the most impactful events that will happen this week that could bring a big volatility to gold. Send it in and let's see what it gives us. High impact events for gold this week. Tuesday, April 22nd, which is today. CPI release, which came in as expected. US crude oil inventories, initial job claims. So basically gave us an answer that we asked, which events will impact the gold the most this week, and it gave us the events that will do that. Again, information scrape with AI. And the next thing, which is actually trading with AI. Let's go into rockettrading.club, go into AI Trader, and here your doors are open to anything with trading. For example, what is a fair value gap? If you want to learn, ask what is fair value gap, and it will give you a definition about what it is. If we want to trade with AI, let's go back to the charts. Let's hide this indicator and let's hide all of the drawings. Let's go into 4 hours and let's send a screenshot of this chart. Just screenshot it like this. Go into here, take your screenshot, send it in, and voila, it's bullish 70%. It's showing where are the key resistance levels, key support levels, the fundamental news, the technical news, and what this AI would do. Again, this isn't a financial advice. This is just AI trying to trade. Given a current price action and the strong uptrend, I would look for continued bullish opportunities. A potential long entry could be considered if price holds above 75,467.6 support. And right now the question, where are the stop losses? Where should I place my stop loss? Below immediate support, which is here, or below strong support, which is here. Basically, AI is giving you a trade setup that could work. And again, about the risk and money management using these tools. As I mentioned in the risk and money management video and course, you should have risk and money management for every single thing you are trading. For example, if you are trading with AI, you should make yourself a risk and money management where you are not risking more than 0.5% or 0.25%. It doesn't matter of the losses or the profits. Right now, you are trying to backtest how AI trader is trading. Answering the question that I had in the first seconds, will AI take over a human trading? I would say no. But in a long run, everything is possible. But right now, AI is learning how to do it. It knows the technicals, it knows the definitions, it knows how the technicals work. But right now, markets are really driven by fundamentals. And it's a big thing for AI because AI isn't a 24/7 thing working 24/7 in the background. It is working when you are asking him to work. And while he is just waiting for you to text something or ask something, market sentiment has already changed. And it has already moved to different directions. And now you need to refresh it with the new information. When AI will know how to do it, when AI will know how to manage trades in real time and manage and see the markets and information in real time every single second, then it could get scary. But yeah, there are a lot of tools that you can use. But in general, building tools with AI, having information scraped with AI, and having possibly a trade setups with AI and learning with AI. So basically, these are the 4 things you could do in trading with AI. But please, again, manage your risks and manage your risks properly. Don't overtrade and don't try to be hero with AI, trying to get as much as you can and trying to, oh, AI will now make me a millionaire because he said that this setup will work beautifully. Please manage your risks properly and accordingly. See you in the next one.